Imagine yourself in this 2017 Ram 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are first and second row curtain head airbags, 2 USB ports, 4-door, 4-wheel ABS brakes, ABS and driveline traction control, audio system memory card slot, automatic locking hubs, auxiliary engine cooler, auxiliary transmission cooler and braking assist. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.